Okay, third graders, this is the second part of the Python tutorial. I'm going to talk about some more advanced codes that you can use in Python. So first I want to show you how to get to the part where you're going to write your code. So that's in idle. So I forgot to show you that last time. So here's idle. Once you save it, once you write your code and you save it, do a file save as, then you can go in and this right here has to be deleted once you go into edit. So you right click your saved program and you can edit it and then you can delete that. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to explain first are variables. Variables are kind of a defined, let's see if I can get this up. I'm going to go to my rock, paper, scissors program again. A variable is where we assign something to a word or a letter. So here I've assigned player as input. Okay, so something that you input into the program. So here it says while player, the exclamation means not equal. So while player is not equal to quit, it will allow the player to play the game. Okay. Here I've assigned rock, paper, scissors to the word choices. So every time you see choices in the program, that's what it refers to. So it's kind of like a code for that word. And anytime that word is used throughout the program, that's the value that that word or letter is assigned to it. And then that would remain true throughout the program. The next thing I want to explain is the while loop, which is right here. It says while a player is not equal to quit. So as long as the player does not type in a lowercase quit in the program, it will allow you to play. So that's what a while statement does. Next thing I want to explain is the if else, and that is right in here. So let's read this. So it says if player is equal to computer. So if the player inputs either rock, paper, or scissors, and it's equal to what the program is inputting randomly, then it says it will print it's a tie. If the player chooses scissors, or no, if the computer chooses paper, it will print you win if the player chooses scissors. Else means if anything else the computer chooses, it will print the computer wins. Okay, here's another one. If the player chooses rock and the computer chooses scissors, it will print you win. Else means if the computer chooses something else, then it will say computer wins. Unless it goes up here where they're equal, then it would print it's a tie. Okay, so basically these statements say if something happens, then print or the computer will do something. Anything else, then the computer prints something else or does something else that you define in the program. The last thing I want to explain is a function. Functions are, this is a program where It utilizes Turtle to be able to create an Etch-a-Sketch game on the canvas or on the screen. And functions are defined where you see this def. So all this def code is they're all functions. So let's take this for example down here. Here we're defining the direction of the cursor, which would be left, and it's going left by 15 degrees. Here we're defining up to go forward 15. Here we're defining right to go 15, and then down is going to go backwards 15 degrees. At the bottom, we use these same words and we attribute a keystroke to them. So here we've got left for the letter A, right letter S, up letter W, and D for down. So it's kind of a short explanation of how the function works. Okay, we will be working a lot with Python before we even get to this. So we'll have lots of practice before we start functions. Okay, until next time, work hard and enjoy creating pictures on Turtle.